Akakiiko k'ebyokulonda k'ekibiina kya Nrm kavuddeyo ne kalaga nga bwe kali akeeteefuteefu okutegeka okulonda ku Lwokuna lwa Ssabbiiti eno. Ssentebe w'akakiiko kano Dr. Tangodoy mu lukuŋŋaana lwa bannamawulire olutuuziddwa ku kitebe ky'akakiiko kano ekya Ddondo akikkaatiriza nga buli kimu bwe kyawedde era n'abakungu abagenda obuvunaanyizibwa mu kulondoola akalulu kano we bali enteeke. Ono era awagiddwa Ssaabawandiisi w'ekibiina kino Richard Todongo.
We have this election as scheduled for 15th, so anyone who has released the contrary, that's not us. Will we vote? Yes, the people are in the villages. Is the Electoral Commission prepared? Yes, we have documents which validate an election. DRA forms are ready, the staff are ready to go, the materials have been purchased, and the members of NRM will vote. Where there are hitches here and there, we shall sort on ground. We are not perfect, but we are moving there.
We have this election for members of parliament on Thursday, 17th. And those who are candidates, your supporters, well-wishers, please prepare that the elections will take place on the 17th as per the guidelines issued by the Nrm Electoral Commission.
Odoye era alambise obudde obugenda okozesebwa mu kulonda sako n'ebitundu ebirinaako enkizo ebigenda olekebwamuko ku biseera ebyo.
All districts will start electoral process at 10 a.m. except Karamoja region. The Karamoja region elections will start at 9 and of course end at 11. Now all other parts of Uganda, the village assembly will start at 10. We have tried to get megaphones for some districts which are very large or some villages which are very large so that they use it for calling the members to the assembly. All assembly for election starts at 10. By 11, the roll call of voters should be on. The real lining up behind the candidates will start at midday. No election shall go beyond 2 p.m. in any part of Uganda.
Mu mbeera y'emu abaneetaba mu kucyankalanya obululu nabo balabuddwa awamu n'abo abanaasomba abalonzi.
Election will end by 2 p.m. to avoid people running from one village to disrupt election in the other village. I must warn that candidates are warned that you are not going to ferry voters. No one should carry voters because the voters live in those villages. Wherever we find a fault with the election, we shall cancel and repeat because the people are alive. Whenever we find fault of a candidate creating impasse in an electoral process, we shall disqualify the candidate. And then the candidate, we shall suspend election, disqualify the candidate, and the candidate can appeal to the tribunal, which will be said to handle the elections.
Ebintu bingi ebitera okugobererwa mu kulonda omuli enkalala z'abalonzi, omuli omuntu okuba enzaalwa y'ekitundu ekyo n'ebirala. Wano Dr. Tangodoy abirambise era nga wagiddwa Ssaabawandiisi w'ekibiina.
Been rumoring here and there. The voter register is in process. The Secretariat is doing the voter register. They will hand over to us and we go to elect. I want to say, voting by proxy is not allowed. Standing by proxy is not allowed. Lining up is the order in all voting.
We have a register. We have used this register. You remember we have used it to elect our structure members. We have used it for all the other elections of the party. So the register is there and is now being transported to all the districts. And by tomorrow, they will be in the sub-counties and in the villages. So if you are a candidate, don't fail because you think there is no register. You'll fail at your own. You will have a register in the village and we shall strictly use the registers to elect our leaders. If you are not in the register, you will not participate. And the election is through lining up.
Richard Todongo Ssaabawandiisi w'ekibiina kya Nrm azzeemu okikkaatiriza nti bagenda kumala gagaba kaadi eri muntu yenna anaagenda maaso n'okusiga ebigambo ebikyaya mu bantu awamu n'ebireeta obusosoze.
We've got reports of our members using religion, tribal sentiments, violence, abusive languages, use of a lot of money. We would like to warn them because these are issues which are against the party doctrine, party policies. We have compiled them, we know the districts which are highly affected, we know the culprits, we know the individuals involved in this. We are warning you because if these matters get to the tribunal, we shall have evidence against you. And even if you win, but winning wrongly, I am sure the Electoral Commission will not recommend that the party gives you the flag. Because our party flag is a very expensive flag. We don't give our party flags to people who who have questionable manners and characters. So we are profiling our candidates. So be warned.
Olunaku olwaleero wabaddewo ebiyitingana ng'akalulu k'ekibiina kya NRM kayongezeddwayo era nga bino bibadde bayiwamu amazzi. Yise Kigongo ku lwa Channel 44 Oleggulo.